Hello everyone, myself Bibina Samli, doing my first year in BTech Computer Science and Engineering in Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences. Today, I am going to explain a C program that checks whether a given number is even or odd. So basically, this program begins by including three header files. Hash include stdio.h, which allows us to use the input and the output functions like printf and scanf. Hash include stdlib.h and hash include string.h are also included in these programs. Now we define the main function with int main void. Inside the main block, we declare an integer variable a. This variable will store the number which is entered by the user. We then use scanf %d, ampersand of a to read an integer input from the user and store it in a variable a. Once the number is taken, the program checks whether it is even or odd. This is done using an if statement and a modulus operator. If the condition a mod 2 not equal to 0, check whether the remainder when a is divided by 2 is not 0. If the condition is true, it means that the number is odd, then it prints number is odd. If the condition is false, the program enters the else block and prints the number is even. This simple decision making structure allows the program to correctly classify any integer that the user enters. Finally, the program ends with return 0, which indicates that the program has been executed successfully. In summary, this program demonstrates a basic input handling, the use of conditional statement, and how modulus operator helps determine whether a number is even or odd. So here we have the inputs that are entered by the user. If it's 10, it is divided by 2 and it will be equal to 0. The remainder will be equal to 0 and the output is even. If it is 25, that is, if the number is odd, it will be printed as odd according to the conditions which we give. Thank you.